MK-A-Matt Kayaking Adventures from Marion Access. We were gonna go down 7 miles and do the sandbar overnight. Jeremey didn't like the way the river looked. He thought it was up a little bit too high, so he didn't want to risk taking the kids out on the river. Probably a good choice. Jackson would have been in a kayak with Dad.
What are you doing? You showed me cheat.
And yes, as Jeremey just pointed out, we are cheating this weekend, and we brought a battery-powered sawzall to cut our firewood. But yeah, he didn't want to take the little guys out on the river. Little one right here would have been in kayak with Dad. A little man over there getting firewood. What do you know? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. We'll talk about that here in a minute. He would have been in his own kayak, and I would have been in the canoe with all the gear. Jeremey didn't like the way it looked, so he said, let's go somewhere and go camping, and we'll just play on the river. And I'm like, well, we're here then. So here's a look at the river. It is up a little bit, and as I said, Jeremey was correct in his decision not to take the kids out. There we got the kayaks and the canoe down there. So this is where we're going to spend the weekend. We will go up Cedar Creek here after a while, maybe tomorrow, whatever, and then that's going to be our Father's Day weekend. But for now, we're just going to enjoy the nature and be out here. I'm sorry, I said Cedar Creek earlier. This is Montauk Creek, so we can actually go up the creek a little bit. It's flat water, no current, very little current, so it'll be a good little excursion, I guess you could say that. I don't know. And we could sit here in the morning. This nice little spot, because camp is right on the other side of that brush right there. Sit right here, drink a coffee, see the morning sun come up. And yes, I did bring the coffee pot with the percolator since we got the canoe. look at the river. It's just awesome. Mount Creek, it goes way up there. I have traveled up that creek a couple years ago, all the way till I got a log jam just before 179 crosses it. So this is it. We're gonna finish setting up camp. Have some peanut butter and tortillas. Maybe after a while, whatever. Hot dogs for dinner with baked beans. Ooh, doesn't that sound good? Oh, the fixings for the hot dogs. Got a new umbrella we were going to try out on the sandbar. This one's a lot better than the last one we had. That didn't fare so well. But this is camp. I got to put my tent up yet.
Alright, ready?
Probably not, but okay.
Alright, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
Can you get zoom on? Oh, I can't get a zoom on the flags.
You alright? Back in the seat.
Ooh. Oh, the camera can't see it. Oh, that's been so.
No, no, you're back.
Lean back!
Get a seat up for him.
Alright, get your paddle ready. Yep, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
Come on.
You're going to lean to your left like it is right now. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Nice dip.
You push a little harder.
Nice job, bud.
That's what you call a seal launch.
Alright, we're going to angle and launch.
Bub's quite far up.
Because I have to go that hard. Alright, ready? Yeah. Are we recording?
Yeah.
Alright, ready, set, go!
Yay! How much water did go in that kayak?
Quite a bit.
Oh.
2. 1. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
He's exploring.
Punch your feet on the thing, Jack. You're gonna slide in like I did.
Did you see where Bubba's putting his feet?
Yeah, right there. You're gonna slip, dude. It's really slippery. There's a ton of water in there.
Put your feet up there.
Good job. Did y'all never zoom in? No. Oh, well, you can zoom in, by the way. Go, go, go! I'm ready.
I'm waiting for Papa to get clear of that.
3, 2, a 1.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, here we go.
Hello, hello.
Alright,
I don't
ready?
know what that is. Is that a Spanish?
Feet up there. 1, 2, 3.
No, that's Spanish. Woo! Woo!
Which is a better ride, the one going up, the one coming down?
For me, it's right going down, the one comes up kind of sucks. Alright, we rolling?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, here we go.
Oh!
There you go, that was perfect.
Woo!
The right minute and everything.
The water. My camera can't see it, but it's cool though.
Alright, ready, Jack? Coming up. Put your feet up.
Prepare for world domination!
God, there's a lot of water in there.
You can hear it. No. It sounds like you got your mini waves.
Alright, ready?
Jackson.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Go, go, go! Oh, 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 wow.
Oh, God.
Cameraman. Whoa! It's bigger!
Jack.
Okay. Gonna go camera.
Alright, you ready, Jack?
Jack, what do you rate this? I don't know. 5 stars
You
is
rated,
the max.
3, 2, 1.
No! Oh no!
Alright, ready, set, go.
Man. I just came. Oh.
Alright, here we go again.
Wait.
It's morning. Sitting around drinking some coffee. Sun coming up over the river. So, might not be the kayak camping trip that we planned, but it's still a camping trip full of memories, especially for the little guys. That's what life's all about anyway. Making memories for the grandkids with the grandkids. Beautiful Missouri River. Sun coming up. Take a look up Montauk Creek. Beautiful place. Had a couple trains come through last night, and sounded like they was coming right through the tent. But that's because the train track is like 100 yards to the west. Might not be the ideal prime camping spot, but it sure is peaceful.